The one stock in focus right now is Manpasand Beverages. For the first time since the recent concerns were raised regarding Manpasand Beverages, the management of the company joins in to allay some of those investor concerns. Abhishek Singh, the director of Manpasand Beverages, joins us now. By the way, I just want to pull up the stock as well. The stock has risen 70% since the issue price of 320. Remember, it listed in July of 2015. So it's been that long since listing. But in the last 3 months, the stock has come off about 25% or so. Abhishek is with us right here in the studio. Abhishek, hi, good morning and thanks for being with us. You know, there are some concerns that you're facing a lot of competition from your peers, especially Parle, etc. You enjoy a 10% market share in the fruit drink business. Any kind of plans to increase your market share? And if yes, what is the strategy that the company is going to advocate over the next 6 to 12 months?
See, strategy is very simple. We need to enroll more and more outlets. We need to appoint more and more distributors. And as such, there is no competition. I mean, they are working in their own market. They are very big giants and they have their full strategy in place. We have our full strategy also in place. So that is not an issue. I mean, just we are working very hard to get more and more retailers with us. And as far as we have surveyed our entire market, retailers are more than happy to get associated with us because they are getting good margins. So they will only support that companies which are paying them better margins.
How are your margins compared to the competition, say Parle or Slice or whatever?
See, I am paying my retailers somewhat 5 to 7% margin more than the competitors.
Okay. What was your market share 1 year ago? What is it now?
1 year ago, it was somewhere around 5-6%. And this time it is around 10%.
So are you looking to get into any other avenues? I mean, you know, you're concentrated on one drink, which is Mango Sip. 80% of your revenues comes from there. So that is a bit troublesome for a lot of investors. Would you look to diversify anytime soon?
That is not a troublesome issue because, see, mango is a very popular fruit in India. And mango is there in our DNA also. Each and every Indian prefers only banana and mango. And mango is our national fruit. So if multinationals can come out with any other flavors and they can go in 200 countries, we can take our mango product, we can take our mango fruit in this 200 countries. So we are only focusing on mango.
How many distributors do you have now and how much do you plan to increase it to?
We are having around 2,000 distributors as for now, but we plan to appoint more 3,000 distributors. So in all total we'll be having a total count of 5,000 distributors.
By when?
In the next 1 year.
Did you have any problems because of the demonetization?
See, there was some temporary problem, but it was only for 10-15 days. I mean, when monsoon starts, for an example, there is just some logistical issues because rain is very, I mean, it is very much and floods are there.
That was long back. I mean, November, December, rain is not your issue, no?
No, rain.
Okay, unless Cyclone Vardha was the issue?
There is no issue in demonetization, neither there is an issue in monsoon. See, what happens whenever there is some new surprises which are coming in market, there will be a temporary setback for 10 to 15 days.
Okay.
You're planning to increase your number of distributors. For that, you may need capex as well. What's the current capacity, utilization, and how much do you plan to grow the capacity to, annual capacity?
See, for increasing distribution, we are going to appoint many more sales officers, area sales managers, sales heads. And to cater to all these distributors, we are coming out with 4 new plants. So it will be operational in the next 18 to 24 months.
And the cost of these plants would be?
See, in one plant investment is around 100 to 150 crore.
Okay.
You have only from internal accruals or you will have to raise capital?
We had a QIP issue recently.
Yes.
So all this things has been taken care of.
So this around 600 crore expense will be over how many years?
In the next 18 months.
In the next 18 months.
Yes.
How much does railways contribute to your?
Around 10-15%.
10 or 15?
15 to be precise.
Okay, so overall, you know, the other thing which the street likes is the way your margins have been maintained at almost 20%. Is there any scope to increase margins further?
20% is a very nice margin as far as I know.
Yes.
And we are trying to increase it.
2,700 distributors, your note says.
Yes.
What are the regions?
East, West, South and North. We are...
any specific state which is the highest number of distributors?
North India.
Okay. Any specific, I mean North as in, is it Delhi?
No, UP, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana.
Okay, so you said that your margins will be maintained at around these levels. And what about the sales growth? I mean, you ended the first half on a base of around 350 crores, which was a 50% growth. In the second half, what can we expect from the company?
You can expect growth from company.
Yeah, at the same level, 50% growth, or will it slow down a bit?
No, we are trying very hard to maintain that growth.
Okay.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for dropping into our studio and
Thank you.
clarifying so many issues.